Dewalt is one of the most well-respected power tool brands in the business, so it's no wonder that the company makes some of the best impact drivers on the market. Its impact drivers boast exceptional torque output with premium features that include brushless motors and its Tool Connect tracking technology. There are many products available to choose the best Dewalt impact driver, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dewalt Atomic 20V Max Impact Driver. Dewalt offers ample power and a compact lightweight size in what amounts to its best all-purpose impact driver. The Dewalt DCF889's brushless motor, though somewhat noisy, delivers an impressive 1,700 pounds of torque, enough to drive bolts into ledger boards or remove lug nuts from a car wheel. At 5.1 inches from its back to the tip of the chuck, it's at home in tight spaces, be that under a kitchen sink or in between wall studs. An ergonomic grip and light 2.1-pound weight makes it comfortable to use for long projects. As with other Dewalt impact drivers, the DC809 includes 3 bright LED work lights that casts a wide circle of light over the work area. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. The DCF885 produces enough torque to suit the needs of most Ders at a price that leaves room in the budget for other power tools. While its 1,400 inch-pounds of torque may not cut it at the pro job site, it's more than enough power to suit most home improvement projects. The DCF885 measures just 5.5 inches long, making it capable of fitting into tight spots, and at just 2.8 pounds, a user's arm won't get tired even with extended use. It also comes with the build quality and features found on higher-priced Dewalt drivers, including an ergonomic handle with plenty of soft rubber grip and Dewalt's triple-ring LED work light. This kit comes with a charger and 20-volt battery, making it an exceptional deal for a Dewalt power tool. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max XR Impact Driver Kit. Outfitted with a brushless motor, the DCF887 puts out an impressive max torque of 1,825 inch-pounds, more than enough might for the pro job site. It also includes 3 speed settings that help rein in that torque for smaller fasteners. Despite all that power, the DCF887 is surprisingly compact, measuring just 5.3 inches from front to back, with a total weight of just 2.1 pounds. That makes it small enough to easily fit between wall studs to secure framing or between deck floor joists to drive and lag bolts. The DCF887 also comes with the triple LED light ring and ergonomic handle found on all Dewalt impact drivers. Number 4. Dewalt 20V Max XR Tool Connect Impact Driver. Keeping track of expensive tools may not be an issue for the average Der, but it certainly is for the contractor who totes a full contingent or power tools from job site to job site. The DCF888 comes equipped with Dewalt's Tool Connect system, which allows its owner to keep tabs on its location via a smartphone. Tool Connect not only allows the owner to track the tool's location, but will also disable it for theft prevention if it strays too far from the owner's phone. With 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and 3 speed settings, the DCF888 offers performance one would expect to find in a tool designed for pros. As with other Dewalt drivers, the DCF888 comes with a triple-ring LED work light and belt clip. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.